YouTube, what's going on? Kyle from ePoolSupply. Today we've got a special little treat where we're going to actually dive into Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner and start doing some quick fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to do another quick fix video for you on Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. This is one of their notorious three-wheeled pool cleaners. Today we want to actually show you guys how to remove the hubcap, which will actually pull the entire wheel screw out, which will actually get access to removing the wheels. So as you guys can see, they keep like pretty much a lug nut here, just like you would on a normal tire, and it's just a flathead screwdriver. You do want to make sure that you have a wider flathead screwdriver so that as you actually put the head of the screwdriver onto here, it gets as much coverage across the screw as possible. Otherwise, when you actually start to turn, especially if these have been in your pool for quite some time, you end up breaking the plastics, which could cause a lot more issues for you. So since this cleaner does have 3 of the larger style wheels, and then it also has the 1 small idler wheel, you actually have a total of 4 of these to remove if you're looking to actually revamp all the tires. So it does come with the 3 traditional larger size tires that actually use the rubber C10 tires on here, which we got available in the link below for you guys. And then it also has what they call an idler wheel, which is just a plastic wheel here that sits between, as you guys can see, we had some technical difficulties with this wheel, but it actually sits in between these 2 wheels on this side of the cleaner and just kind of acts as another push and rotation, as one of the front tires is really what's going to drive this cleaner. So in order for it to actually continue rolling, it's just easier when they threw this idler in there that actually helps keep everything moving for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my broken one here. We'll flip it back over, and then, like I said, you wanna use a wider flathead screwdriver that you guys got so that you can get as much coverage on these. Always make sure you kind of push down on the wheel here so that you don't take the risk of breaking this plastic wheel screw, because as it is plastic, and with the chemicals in your pool, they can be kind of fragile. So once you remove the actual wheel screw, you guys can see it actually has a what they would call like a washer. So those 2 parts come off, and then simply the tire just actually slides off from the actual axle that's attached to the frame of the cleaner. So as you can see here, here's one of the wheels for you. It actually does have a set of bearings in here. It actually has 2 bearings. So once if you guys need to replace those, make sure you guys do that at the same time when you're going to take off the tire, if you're just trying to replace the wheel screw. But today we just wanted to show you guys how to remove it using these wheel screws and let you guys know kind of what to expect when the tire comes off. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. We got a ton more videos coming your way. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.